Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. If you hate bugs and mosquitoes as much as I do, you have to purchase a pack of these.
These bracelets not only work well, but they can be stylish. They come in so many different colors, and you can just choose what color matches your outfit. We were at a gathering outside, and it was super hot and so many bugs. So the host gave us all bracelets to choose from. It was perfect for little kids, adults. You can wear one on each hand. Try different color combos, and best of all, it keeps away the bugs. You can also put them around your ankles, so then you're all protected from the mosquitoes, and it's such a great gift to take home.
I would highly recommend this product if you are going to be outside for a long time, having a party, a picnic, anything like that. They smell really good and they work really well. I love them. My family loved them. The mosquitoes do not like them. And that's my point of view.